different ways of using cutoff. First, remove something using a sharp implement. For example, remember to cut off the fat before you fry the steak. The second use to stop providing something such as supplies and electricity. For example, if this bill is not paid within 5 days, your gas supplies will be cut off. بريني شتێک بۆ نمونە بڕینی ئاو بڕینی کارەبا یاخود هەر شتێکی تر لەو شێوازانەی کە هەیە. The third use, cut someone off on a phone, means that to stop people from continuing a phone conversation by breaking the phone connection. For example, we got cut off before she could give me directions. لزمانی کوردی واتە پچڕان لەسەر هێڵ یاخود لەسەر خەت. The last use of cut a car off. What does that mean? It means that to drive in front of another car in a sudden or dangerous way. For example, I cut the car off, then I had an accident, unfortunately. لزمانی کوردی واتە بە پێشکەوتنەوەی سیارە بە خێرایی یاخود بە تیژیەکی زۆر بە پێش سیارەشکە بکەویەوە. Please be careful, don't cut any cars off. See you next lesson.